Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class, Module 7 Verbs and Helping Verbs. Let us learn about action verbs and helping verbs. Let us recall what are nouns. A noun names a person, place, animal, or a thing. Nouns can be a common or a special. A common noun is a general name that is used for naming a person, animal, place, or a thing. For example, girl, goat, city, and chocolate are some examples of common noun. Now, let us learn about the proper noun. It is a special name given to the person, animal, place, or a thing. That is Aditi, Billy, Delhi, and Kit Kat. Now, let us come to the topic, that is verbs or action words. Okay? Doing words or action words are called verbs. They are the words that tell us what the noun or pronoun does. Verbs are an important part of a sentence. They complete the sentence. For example, Maria plays a hockey. In this sentence, Maria is a proper noun who is doing the action plays. So, play is a verb. Mohit cooks a food. In this sentence, Mohit is a proper noun. Cooks is a action word or a verb telling us what noun Mohit does. Varun paints pictures. Varun is a proper noun. Paints is the verb. It tells us what the noun Varun does. Cats drink milk. Cats is a common noun. Drink is a verb. It tells us what the noun the cats do. The bells ring. Bells is a common naming word for a thing. It is a common noun. Ring is the verb showing that what the bell do. Here are some more examples. Teachers explain the lessons. The students listen carefully. Birds fly in the sky. Here, explain, listen, fly are the verbs. Read, play, sing, jump, run are some common verbs. So, let us now understand what helping verbs are. First, look at these sentences. I am talking. He is cooking. They are traveling. So, if I ask you to identify the verbs in the sentences, you would say talking, cooking, and traveling are verbs. But we have other words in these sentences before these verbs. They are am, is, are. These are called helping verbs. They are not doing any action like the main verbs. However, the helping verb, as the name suggests, it helps the main verbs by making it complete. They help the main verb to show an action. Helping verb always come before the main action verbs. Am, is, are, was, were are some common helping verbs you will learn in this section. Let us understand each of them. Am, is, are plus ing form of verb are used to talk about an action that is going on in the present. That is an action going on that time of speaking. Am is used with the I. Am along with the ing form of the verb that tells us that action is going on now, but am is used only with the word I. For example, I am skipping, I am exercising, I am eating. Skipping, exercising, and eating are the main verbs. And am is a helping verb. We use the helping verb am with the subject I. Is used with the he, she, it, and with singular nouns. Example, he is reading a book. She is playing in the garden. Here, reading and playing are the main verbs, and helping verb is before the main verb tells us that he is reading a book now and that she. Similarly, it is running after the ball. It is raining. Here, running and raining are main verbs, and helping verb is helps in telling the main action of a running and raining are happening now. Example, Mahesh is eating. The cat is sleeping. In this sentence, Mahesh is a singular noun. Cat is a singular noun. Eating and sleeping is the main verbs. These sentences too speak about action that are happening now in the present. We get to know about action is happening now because of helping verb is plus ing form of the verb. The helping verb are is used with the you, we, they and plural nouns. You are singing. We are exercising. They are watching TV. In these sentences, singing, exercising, watching are the main action verbs, and helping verbs are along with the ing form of the verb is telling us that actions are going now. Similarly, the children are listening to music. The birds are chirping. Children and birds are plural nouns. So we used helping verb are. Now, was or were plus ing form of verb are used to talk about an action that was going on for some time in the past. Was is used with he, she, it and with the singular nouns. He was driving and she was dancing. Here, driving and dancing are the main verbs. Helping verb was before the main verb tells us that he was driving some times ago, but he is not driving now. Similarly, she was dancing some times back, but she is not dancing now. Similarly, it was running after the ball. It was raining. Here, running and raining are main verbs. Helping verb was help us to tell that main action running and raining were happening sometimes ago in the past. They are not happening now. Radha was eating. The dog was sleeping. Radha is a special noun. Eating is a main verb. Dog is a special noun. Sleeping is a main verb. These sentences also speaks about actions that happened in the past. We get to know about the actions happened in the past because sentence has a helping verb was plus ing form of the verb. The helping verb where is used with the you, we, they and plural nouns. You were singing. We were exercising. They were watching TV. In these sentences, singing, exercising and watching are the main action verb and helping verb where along with the ing form of the verb is telling us actions are not happening now, they happened in the past. Similarly, the children were listening to music. The birds were chirping. Children and birds are plural nouns. So we have used the helping verb where. Sometimes these helping verbs acts as a main verb. For example, I am Meenu. So am is not a helping verb here. It's a main verb. Similarly, this is a lotus. Is the main verb. We are happy. Are is the main verb. Once again, these sentences speak about the present condition. He was a teacher. They were singers. Here here too, like in previous sentences, there was no action verb, so was and were are the main verbs because was and were talk about past actions. These sentences convey the meaning that he was a singer and that they were singers in the past but not now. So we have learned a verb tells us about an action or a state. A few verbs do not show the action but help the main verb to complete their meaning. They come before a main verb. Such verbs are called helping verbs. Some common helping verbs are am, is, are, was, and were. Thank you.